Hey there. Facing an issue where your card isn't accepting instant deposits on Cash App? Don't worry, you're not alone. This situation can be frustrating when you're trying to access your cash quickly. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix your card not accepting instant deposits on Cash App, providing you with practical solutions to get back on track. Step 1. Verify your card information. First, let's ensure your card details are correctly entered in the Cash App. Navigate to the Banking tab and verify that your linked card information, such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV, is correct. An incorrect entry can prevent transactions. If necessary, update the card details to ensure accuracy. Errors in card information can frequently be the culprit when instant deposits fail. Step 2. Check card eligibility. Not all cards are supported for instant deposits via Cash App. Usually, prepaid cards and certain less common card types might not be eligible. Check with your card issuer to confirm if your card supports instant deposits. If your current card isn't eligible, you might need to link a different card from a reputed bank known to support instant deposits effectively. Ensure that the bank's terms align with your Cash App needs. Step 3. Update Cash App. Keeping your Cash App updated is crucial for smooth functionality. Developers frequently release updates to enhance security and fix bugs that may interfere with services like instant deposits. Go to your device's App Store and check for any available updates for the Cash App. After updating, restart the app and try utilizing the instant deposit feature again. Regular updates often resolve issues related to app compatibility and transaction processing. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. If verifying your card details and checking eligibility doesn't resolve the issue, it might be time to contact Cash App support. You can do so directly within the app by navigating to the profile icon, selecting support, and detailing your issue with instant deposits. The support team can offer personalized assistance, helping you figure out if there's a problem with your account or additional steps required. They may address issues related to your account settings or card support. Step 5. Consider using standard deposits temporarily. While working on resolving the instant deposit issue, you might need to rely on standard deposits for a temporary period. Standard deposits can take 1 to 3 business days, but usually don't involve additional fees. This allows you to access your funds while waiting for a permanent fix on the instant deposit functionality. Fixing your card not accepting instant deposits on Cash App requires some troubleshooting, but is manageable with these steps. By verifying card information, checking card eligibility, updating the app, or contacting support, you should be back to seamless transactions in no time. Ensure you're aware of the bank and Cash App terms to prevent similar issues in the future. Remember, there's always a solution, and a bit of patience can go a long way in resolving these technical hitches. Happy transacting.